10. The Resurrection. The biblical faith concerning Jesus Christ involves and requires believing that he was raised from the dead in the same body which suffered crucifixion. Jesus Christ, by his resurrection, destroyed the power of sin and death. Moreover, he set forth his victory over the realms of both spirit and matter, conquering the enemy in every realm. If Jesus Christ had only risen from the dead as a spirit, as a ghost, then his only victory and his only saving power would be limited to the world of the spirit. It would mean that he would be helpless to answer prayers concerning material things, because his power would extend only to things spiritual. It would mean that his people would be helpless against the powers of this world and without a law or a recourse in this world. But because Jesus Christ rose from the dead, he is Lord over all lords, King over all kings, the lawgiver and supreme governor of all things, material and spiritual. Prayer is effectual because he is effectual. We can therefore say with the psalmist, quote, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will we not fear, though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea. Psalm 46, 1 and 2. For this reason, from the days of the early church on, the day of resurrection has been a time of joy because it sets forth the certainty of our victory in and through Jesus Christ. St. Paul, in terms of this fact of the resurrection, could happily declare, O death, where is thy sting? O grave, where is thy victory? 1 Corinthians 15:55. The world today, as it has moved from faith in God to faith in man, has moved from joy and confidence to fearfulness and darkness. Our material prosperity has not increased our joy, because apart from the Christian victory, the joy of living drains out of a man. As St. John made clear, quote, This is a victory that overcometh the world, even our faith. 1 John 5:4. We then, who are the people of the resurrection, must live in the joy and confidence of victory. This is our destiny, victory. Life is rarely easy, but with Christ our King, it is always good. We are generally in a battle because the enemies are many and the forces of evil real, but our victory has been assured and manifested by the resurrection of Jesus Christ. We can therefore sing with the early church, quote, Adam is recalled, the curse is made void, Eve is set free, death is slain, and we are made alive. Wherefore in hymns we cry aloud, Blessed art thou, O Christ our God,